Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. The big picture now clear. These are the poll of polls that we are putting out for you. Mirror now doesn't have an exit poll, but we've collated data from everyone, and this is what the larger picture, the national picture, is looking like. Out of 543 seats, take a look at the screens right now. There is one today's Chanakya poll that is actually giving the BJP-led NDA 400. Is it going to be 400 par? For the BJP and its allies? Well, at least one poll seems to be predicting that, but the others seem to be putting it in pole position, giving Prime Minister Narendra Modi a third term. In fact, all polls on our screens right now telling us that the NDA, the BJP-led NDA, will actually end up bettering its numbers. As far as the India Alliance is concerned, the news not looking very happy or very positive there. Just take a look at the numbers on your screens. What the India Alliance is being given, and the average that I'm putting out is 138 to 144 seats. What is the average as far as the NDA is concerned? The BJP-led alliance, 369 to 377. Not quite 400 par, as today's Chanakya is putting it, but it definitely ups the average. Would you want to come in here? This is pretty much in keeping, Nilanjan, with what almost everyone had been saying even before the polls had started. Before the elections, that आएगा तो मोदी. Numbers इधर उधर होंगे, थोड़े ऊपर थोड़े नीचे, but आएगा तो मोदी. That's how it's played out then in this election.
No, initially when the target was set 370 and 400, it had appeared to be a preposterous target. And though everybody said that they will come back, but nobody really believed it. Somewhere down the campaign, the narrative wavered, but then they were able to put it back.
But did it waver, or did it waver only in television studios and not on the ground
actually? No, I think it
wavered
as far as the BJP leaders are concerned with their speeches, Mr. Modi's speeches, the way his content, changed. Elections are won, at least Mr. Modi won, 2014 on the basis of promises, and 2019 was on the basis of performance. Both these issues, the two P's, if you actually put it that way, almost disappeared by halfway through the campaign. And then came the other issues, which is what actually appears to have got the mandate. And plus, we cannot ignore the fact that among various things which works for Mr. Modi, his personality, the Labharti schemes, improving India's image abroad, there is also a very core ideological thrust. And the people do subscribe to the ideology of Hindutva. You have to accept it.
But not of all of India. But not all of his voters do. Not all of his voters do. They're different. The BJP has different kinds of voters.
Even in 2019, the BJP had a 19% core vote share. That has increased substantially. Maybe not the entire 37%, which was there in 2019. We'll have to see what the vote share this time is. Maybe not 100% of that. But I would say, by my understanding, 60% of the BJP supporters are on the basis of the ideology of Hindutva, which the BJP professes and expounds without any without any hesitation.
But the Ram Mandir hardly had any resonance.
That's
the
what
BJP,
we think, that it didn't have a resonance.
It is rations instead of Ram Mandir it is rations instead of Ram Mandir that had resonance on the ground.
How do we quantify it? You cannot do it on the basis of a CSDA survey, because then you must accept what it said, the other points which it said is also true.
Okay. Sanjeev Kaushik, you usually are a spokesperson of the Aam Aadmi Party, which is part of the India Alliance. Any comments on these numbers? ये मत बोलिएगा exit polls कचरा हैं. ये मत बोलिएगा please Sanjeev Kaushik that these exit polls are सरकारी exit polls. Not all exit polls can be सरकारी.
नहीं, इतना तो बोलेंगे है कि एग्जिट पोल एग्जैक्ट पोल नहीं है, अभी थोड़ा सा इंतजार करना होगा. कई बार हमारे अनुभव ये कहते हैं कि कई बार ये एग्जिट पोल गलत साबित हुए हैं, आंकड़े हैं हमारे पास, लेकिन फिर भी काफ़ी मेहनत मशक्क़त से ये एग्जिट पोल करने वाले अपने आंकड़े को इकट्ठा करते हैं और फिर सामने रखते हैं. लेकिन मेरा मानना ये है कि ये जल्दीबाजी होगी. इन आंकड़ों पर 100% भरोसा कर लेना, चूँकि तमाम फील्ड में जब विपक्षी पार्टी के लोगों ने अपनी जब कैंपेनिंग की और हम लोगों के जैसे लोग भी जब फील्ड में उतरे, तो जो हवाएं चल रही थी, जिस तरह से सरकार के प्रति लोगों के मन में उदासीनता और जिस तरह के सवाल थे, यदि ये एग्जिट पोल भी एग्जैक्ट पोल में बदलता है तब भी कई प्रश्न तो खड़ा होंगे ही होंगे. उसके बाद भी प्रश्न खड़े होंगे। लेकिन अभी
Okay.
क्योंकि इस एग्जिट
Delhi
पोल में
numbers are on our
NDA
screens.
सरकार बढ़त बनाती हुई दिखाई दे रही है और तमाम
See, the Delhi numbers are on our screens as well. Last time, 7 out of 7 seats had gone to the BJP. Now it seems if these numbers hold, then the India alliance may end up winning 1 seat, but otherwise 6 out of 7 seats assured for the BJP. 1 down for the BJP, 1 up for the India alliance if these numbers hold. But Sanjeev Kaushik, we leave it there for the moment. Thank you very much. Nilanjan, thank you very much for being with us on the broadcast through this broadcast, and we are hoping to see you back on the 4th as well. Thank you for coming all the way to our studio.